speaker or something, and then send the voice from here to the speaker or something like that. I don't know. That was the point. Anyway, we're in part 3 of the video, so hopefully that will become a reality in some way. And then depending on what kind of Bluetooth speaker you have, this is what this is for. You can stick it in here if you have a larger speaker. You could attach this to a speaker such as the ones for guitars, maybe. What? Okay, it does go in. I was a little bit worried. This seems a little bit on the flim side, and I'm a little bit scared of it now because I found that out, but there's some play in there, so be careful if you buy this not to stick it and then turn it the wrong way. Oof. So I'm gonna take it that this somehow connects to this thing. Let's try that.
Likey